Newcomers to the world of kayak fishing will need to opt for a boat that is easy, small and light so that it's easy to navigate without experience. But as the kayak fishing industry is rapidly growing with more and more models specifically designed for anglers hitting the market, to the first-time buyer or those who don't follow the kayak fishing media, it can be a minefield. Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you find out the best fishing kayak in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to see their price and out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. Excursion Pro Inflatable Kayak. The hull of the vessel is constructed from triple-ply PVC, which is capable of withstanding high-pressure inflation. This helps to ensure that the boat stays steady on the water, something beginners will appreciate. The high molecular PVC is also 100% UV resistant and non-reactive with gasoline, oil, and salt water. It's specifically engineered to resist damage from abrasion and impact, allowing it to tolerate rookie mistakes. The Excursion Pro also features a removable booster pad that allows the user to adjust the seating height. This is what makes this boat great for younger beginners who want to sit up high. This fishing kayak also comes with both standard-sized and shallow water skegs that paddlers can switch out as needed. It's even equipped with adjustable footrests for optimal leverage while paddling or casting. The added accessory bracket allows you to attach items such as swivel fishing rod holders, fish finders, or a GPS. The Excursion Pro is pretty affordable compared to other similar models on the market. For an inflatable tandem kayak with an abundance of features designed for comfort and ease of use, we think it's reasonable. Number 2. Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 Fishing Kayak. The Angler 100 is a hard-shell, high-density polyethylene, HDPE, kayak with a flat bottom, tracking channels, and cockpit built with comfort and practicality in mind. Additionally, the unibody construction includes various footrest positions for anglers of every size or those who simply want to be able to adjust their position. The Angler 100 kayak has a channeled flat-bottomed hull and chime stability rails which ensure smooth, stable cruising and casting. The front and rear of the vessel are fitted with a 6-inch hatch-covered storage compartment. This boat even has bungee cord webbing fore and aft for securing light gear such as clothing. It's even fitted with 3 fishing rod holders, 1 top-mounted and 2 flush-mounted. The front and back carry handles make it much easier to transport, especially when alone or just with one other person. The Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 is an affordable, sit-on-top fishing kayak with loads of unique features that make it great for a beginner. However, it's important to note that you'll need a vehicle capable of hauling a 10-inch hardshell kayak. Number 3. Perception High Life. The seat can even be adjusted up or down for more stability or easier casting. The removable Pro seat features a comfortable mesh seating area and is raised 5 inches above the deck height. Being able to store away the seat allows room for a 35-liter cooler to be added to the boat and used as a seat. This vessel is fitted with 2 double-barrel rod holders which allow for quick and easy access to your fishing rods while keeping them out of the way when paddling. The skid plates are also easily replaceable, which allows you to accidentally drag your kayak without fear of damage. Additionally, the Perception Outlaw is fitted with self-draining scupper holes in the footwell to keep you, your gear, and your garments dry. However, it's important to note that the scupper plugs are not included with the kayak, but can be bought separately on Amazon. We love how affordable this kayak is, too. It's one of the cheapest of its kind on the market, making it ideal for beginners who are unsure about investing lots of money into the sport straight away. Number 4. Sun Dolphin Journey 10. It's super versatile and suitable for all bodies of water including lakes, rivers, ponds, and oceans. It's far more lightweight than similar models on the market, which makes it easy to transport and store away when not in use. It tracks and paddles with ease while offering maximum stability at all times, something that every beginner needs. It's constructed from rugged UV-stabilized Fortiflex high-density polyethylene, which makes it tolerant to impact and general wear and tear. This kayak is fitted with everything you need to get started. It has 2 flush mount rod holders and 1 swivel rod holder. The seat is padded and fully adjustable for your comfort and features a storage compartment that is large enough for small garments and gear. It's fitted with shock cord deck rigging and adjustable foot braces. You'll even find a handy water bottle holder on board along with protective thigh pads. Number 5. Challenger Inflatable Kayak. There's plenty of room inside the Challenger Inflatable Kayak. For you and a buddy, as well as some gear thanks to the handy storage compartment. For additional storage options, the boat is fitted with D-rings. The 18-gauge PVC construction is stable and rugged, making it suitable for lake use. It's also fitted with a 1000D tarpaulin bottom and 840D nylon cover, which provides protection from the elements, abrasion, and puncture. However, even if you do find yourself in a predicament and experience a puncture, thanks to Seveler's intelligent air chamber system, this isn't a problem. The multiple chambers allow the others to stay inflated if one is punctured. This gives you plenty of time to get back to shore if you have to make a run for it. Additionally, the boat's airtight system is guaranteed not to leak. It's fitted with Berkeley quick-set rod holders, which are fully adjustable for added comfort and enhanced hands-free fishing.